Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another weird sort of video, to be honest. I mean, I haven't really got nothing planned for this video. There is a couple of little bits I want to do to the car, sticker wise. I've got a couple of little stickers that I'm going to be adding on to the badge here, up the front, up the rear, and I don't think there is any other BMW badges that I need to change. But that's a little tiny thing. I just want to sort of speak to you guys. Obviously, the content is sort of dying on this channel at the minute. There's not a lot going on. I did obviously have plans to go out this Saturday to a car meet. That ended up not happening because of this whole thing going on. Like, obviously everyone's staying in. I don't really want to go to any big gatherings because I've got a daughter, as a lot of you guys will know, and potentially she could just be a carrier, which will then pass this COVID-19 on to family members, like obviously older relatives that they have. So I want to stay away from that. I want to keep myself away from being ill. I only ever seem to get ill when she gets ill though, but I don't want her to get ill, obviously, for reasons. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort of compile this video, obviously a little bit of talking here. I'm going to do my badges in a minute when I park up back at home. But I'm going to compile a little sort of montage clip at the end of this of the last car meet that I went to, which I didn't film enough to make a video of. So, I mean, there's a few clips in there that I'm going to chuck in. We'll do that. And then, obviously, I just want you guys to take into account, obviously, stay safe out there, keep clean. Try not to, like, look after your elders in your family. I haven't really got elders in my family anymore. The oldest person in my family is probably my uncle at the minute, which is weird. But if I did, I'd be looking out for them too. But at the minute, I'm sort of looking out for the elders on my daughter's side of the family. So there won't be no filming of any car meets or anything like that as of yet, till this sort of blows over. I don't know really. I don't know how work's gonna go. If I'm home from work, then I might just, you know, make some videos of me gaming or something. That's what most people seem to be switching to. But we'll see how it goes anyway. And I will cut to me doing my badges now, which can take like 2 seconds, and then we'll sort of add the montage in of these little clips. But anyway, stay safe out there, guys. Make sure you leave a comment, subscribe, and like the video, I guess. And I'll see you in my next video. Alright, so guys, we are now parked up at home. These are the little stickers that I'm on about. Basically, you get a choice, I believe, of white or black. I'm pretty sure that's why they give me a black and a white. Not to, obviously, put black on the blue and then white on the white. I don't know. But anyway, basically got two options. I'm going to go with the black. As far as I'm aware, there's a badge here. And there's a badge on the front and the rear. I don't think there's any badges anywhere else. Not that I know of, anyway. Nothing here. Nope. But anyway, I'm going to stick that on there, and then we'll go from wherever. Before, after. Alright guys, so that is the badges done. I'm now gonna skip to the footage that I was speaking about earlier of the very few cars that I got to film as we were leaving the meet. Not sure what meet it was. I will leave a little title here at the bottom of the video, wherever, just so you guys know, and then I will probably post this video into the group that the meet was, like, who the meet was held by, basically. So yeah, I'll leave it there. I'll stop talking. Enjoy the footage of the cars leaving in a very boring way, some of them, but anyway, nonetheless, let's skip to that. What's he think he's fucking doing? That's my spot. Little shit.
Stick as well.
These bastards sat here blocking the fucking road.
Okay, you can outrun them. Come on, do it.
That is actually a shot. Hold up, let me just roll in here and shit on everyone's parade. Wow. What's he stopped the 350 for though? The 350 didn't do nothing. And he's getting them both to pull over.
Now it's perfect time to do some weird business occupied.
Why did I not film them coming past? Oh, 3 of the bastards. He can't though, he's dealing with that Civic. Police car's put his lights on just to warn people, you know, that he's occupied with a fucking Civic. And they turned up. Told you they'd come back. Oh, here comes the best part of the fucking night. Fiat Panda. Ooh. So the police are fucking ruining everything. There's also a police car just gone past me. God damn it. No one's going to do anything fun. What a fucking shit show. What?
to play.
Alright, so guys, everyone's sort of facked off now. Police have sort of ruined everyone leaving the meet.
Pickage all the way.
We are probably going to head over to the second location and see what's going on over there. Possibly. Anyway, I'll get back to you in a minute. Second location, pretty shit.
About that.
How did they turn up here, for God's sake? We're just sat here. Alright, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this sort of video, whatever it turned out to be. I appreciate if you did watch all the way to this point. If you did, make sure to leave a comment. Just comment to let me know that you watched up to this point. I appreciate it. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, stay safe out there, keep clean, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Peace out.